Dough to rise.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, making some sourdough.
Do you always play the cello to make the bread rise?
I like to.
It's like my jam needs a walk before it can be eaten.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What kind of jam is it?
It's a strawberry rhubarb. What song was that?
A movement from the Bach suites for unaccompanied cello. It was a jig.
Yeah, can I help with anything?
Do you bake at all?
I like to bake with my friends, such a beautiful connection. I have not made sourdough. It seems very intimidating to me. Plus, I can never keep the starter alive.
Yeah, it is. It is a commitment. This dough is particularly wet. It has a lot of moisture, making it a real crusty dough.
Ooh.
Yeah, if you like that kind of bread. I just spent the past 3 hours folding the dough.
Ooh, let's see it.
Yeah, it's a little, it's a little flat.
It needs a cello. The cello is what gives it light.
This is a bamboo proofing basket.
Oh, someone's at the door. Oh, hello.
Sam, hey.
Hi,
How
Flora.
are you? You came back.
Yeah, good to see you.
Nice to see you too. Ray.
Hey Flora, how's it going?
How nice to see you.
Yeah,
That's
it's
going
been
fine.
so long.
It has been a while.
Yeah.
Yes. You all met each other?
I just was walking by and I heard the beautiful cello music. You just missed it.
You were playing the cello?
I was playing the cello.
Are you going to play it again? What's happening here?
Well, I'm just letting the bread rest a little bit.
I'm returning a bottle of wine that I stole.
I brought jam.
Let me see this jam.
I bedazzled it.
What kind of jam?
Strawberry rhubarb.
Wow. It's pretty colorful. You just happened to show up with jam. And
I know, right?
Is Ray making... Well, the problem is I'm in a little bit of a hurry because it's not worth going into why. That's a stupid reason. I would love to be in the same room with the cello and hear it playing here.
I'm staying for the bread, that's for sure.
Yeah, well.
And for the wine.
Yeah, we're looking up in this wine.
Yes, Marcie, I remember you. How's it going?
Good to see you. I have something from the Olsen house and we just want to drop it off.
Flora! Marcie!
Ray!
Hey, Marcie.
What's happening here? That's amazing. You're doing a concert in the kitchen?
Well, it's not really a concert, but I'm playing my cello and baking bread.
Of course you are.
Yeah.
I'm sort of on my way. Are you going to play more music?
can, yeah. The oven's on, so be careful there.
Okay, oh yeah.
Actually, it's gonna come hot.
Yeah, Sam, if you don't mind,
Yeah.
there's a terracotta baking vessel.
Oh, beautiful.
Put that in the oven.
For sure.
You're sous chef?
I guess I am
Sort of.
today.
Yeah. Do you know each other?
We don't.
just
I
met.
was just like walking and I heard this beautiful cello thing.
The neighbor mentioned it to me. She
Right.
said on her
It's like the Pied Piper.
And soon the smell of fresh bread.
You got some wine there. Should we pop that open?
If you want a glass of wine, open a bottle of wine.
I'm the only one drinking here.
It's like if you were a jar, it would be, this would be it.
Sam's Jam.
Yeah.
Sam, if you don't mind,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this over here.
it's gonna be hot, but we'll take that
All right, let's do this.
out of there.
Yeah.
and
Oh, this
you
is
can-
If
cute.
anybody should burn it.
Moose Crossing. Very Wisconsin.
Wow. It's alive.
Yeah, and now we have to score it. So I'm gonna use this longe, which is the French word for blade.
Really?
Yeah,
Lamb?
lamb.
You guys ever make bread?
I did during the pandemic, like everyone else.
Mmm.
I think I fed it to you.
Did it?
Yeah, what kind of...
Must have been not that good. Can't remember.
Sam?
I didn't appreciate it.
Sorry, Marcie.
You thought it was good.
I'm sure
That's
it
what
was.
you said. It was sourdough, of course.
Can we check it out?
I'm so
Ooh, this
excited.
smells good.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Beautiful.
It looks good.
Wow.
Man, oh man.
Sam. Oh no.
I've been waiting at the park for like an hour.
I'm so
I bought all this
sorry.
ice cream and it's all melted.
I totally forgot.
You
so
forgot?
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Hi, I'm Aliya.
Oh, no.
Nice to meet you.
That's Flora.
Hi, Flora. I'm Aliya.
I'm Ray.
Ray.
You've just been sitting there?
Sam was supposed to bring her Sam's Jam and we
I
forgot.
totally forgot.
I knew you were
sorry.
gonna be here.
It's
Oh my
peace
God.
bread. Please forgive me.
I'll
Please
think about
forgive
it.
It got distracting, didn't
You
it?
play the
I
cello?
play the cello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really beautifully.
Is that why the bread's so pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, the vibrations of the music.
How did you know that?
Because I'm also a musician.
Yeah.
I get it. It makes sense to me.
Yeah,
Ooh,
this
I feel it in my core. It
Yeah.
feels good.
Yeah.
Oh, yum. I feel like this is a big moment.
It is a big moment.
Quite crusty.
Ooh, I love a crust.
The best kind. Oh my gosh, look at that inside.
The wild yeast that is the sourdough
Sorry,
that creates these air
I
holes.
get my breath here and everything.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Should I grab a butter knife?
Yeah, we
Hardly
can use
great.
We're melted ice cream.
Ooh,
Little drizzle moment.
Oh my god. It's
Is
so
it
good.
good?
Oh my gosh.
Is it sour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, subtle.
Yeah, okay.
That's delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Wow.
much for making it.
So wait, are you gonna play cello again?
It's the question of the hour.
I love cello.
Sure.
I play guitar and I sing and I play piano actually.
They help run some schools, which is like
Like it's half art gallery, half like venue. So you can have
What is it called?
some fools, some
Some
fools
Fool's
basement.
I am so loving
Oh.
this bread.
Yeah.
I'm doing good. How are you?
You've come at the right moment.
Hey man, I haven't seen you in so long. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, of course I know
You look
Marcie.
so
I know.
handsome and
Oh, thank you.
tan. Nice to
I don't
see
think
you.
I've met you.
Hi, I'm Aliya.
Aliya, nice to meet you.
Nice
I'm
to meet
Sam.
You want some bread, do you?
So sometimes you live here.
This last winter we were in Portugal for most of the
Wow.
This bread looks amazing.
Oh,
Wow.
thanks. Yeah,
insane.
it just came out
Wow.
of the oven.
There's also some jam if you want any. I made some
There you
strawberry rhubarb jam.
Oh wow,
So
that looks great.
Oh,
Yeah,
Benita.
where's Benita?
She's here.
She's here?
She's somewhere. She was walking through, giving her opinion. I didn't mean to stay this long. I have to go,
Okay.
but it's been a thrill. It
Oh,
really has.
it's
And
so
seeing
nice
you
to meet
is
you.
unbelievable.
Good seeing you.
Can I get a ride with you?
Of course you
can.
can.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Take care. Maybe
Bye.
we'll see you later.
It's getting stickier. I think it's getting worse.